Welcome to this channel. Myself Dr. T. Indranath, a doctor of modern medical science, motivational speaker, life coach and psychiatry resident. आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एमडी साइकियाट्री अगर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में करना है तो AMCH आसाम मेडिकल कॉलेज इसमें आपको क्यों करना चाहिए और क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए, प्रोस एंड कॉन्स दोनों के बारे में डिटेल्स हम बात करेंगे। इससे पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पर नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो अच्छा और इंफॉर्मेटिव लगे तो डेफिनेटली वीडियो को फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर कीजिए। चलिए चलते हैं हम लोग स्क्रीन पे। सबसे पहले AMCH आसाम मेडिकल कॉलेज जो कि डिब्रूगढ़ में है, ये नॉर्थ स्टेट आसाम के गुवाहाटी से आपको बाय फ्लाइट 45 मिनट्स का और बाय ट्रेन और बाय बस आपको 12 आवर्स जाने करके आपको डिब्रूगढ़ आना होगा, जो कि डिब्रूगढ़ एयरपोर्ट से लगभग 35 मिनट्स लगता है और आप 15-20 किलोमीटर दूरी में डिब्रूगढ़ आसाम मेडिकल कॉलेज में पहुंच जाएंगे। आसाम मेडिकल कॉलेज में अगर आप एमडी साइकियाट्री के बारे में बात करेंगे तो अर्लियर इट वाज 8 एमडी साइकियाट्री सीट, पिछले साल से 9 एमडी साइकियाट्री सीट अवेलेबल है। दैट मीन्स अगर इस साल से आप नीट पीजी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली आपके पास ऑप्शंस है, 9 पीजी सीट अवेलेबल रहेंगे एमडी साइकियाट्री इन AMCH आसाम मेडिकल कॉलेज डिब्रूगढ़। चलते क्रॉस, क्यों आपको आसाम मेडिकल कॉलेज में एमडी साइकियाट्री लेना चाहिए। डेफिनेटली फैकल्टीज आर द बेस्ट फैकल्टी आई कैन से। HOD, our HOD is very fantastic and he takes class regularly on Saturday, and that class are, if you attend a single class, no, it is just like a magic. So this is the best faculty I can say in Assam Medical College. Definitely all faculties are helpful, they take care of yourself, they help you in your any kind of problem. PG toxicity, now PG toxicity depend on the types of PG available, the place and the hierarchy of the toxicity, but at present toxicity level is very less. You can enjoy your PG residency nice with good academics. So number one, faculty is very good, HOD takes class regularly, PG toxicity is very less, work life balance is there. Now that actually depend on multiple factor. So during your admission you should take care of all these points. At present I can say this is one of the best college you can choose for MD Psychiatry because of these good faculties. Academics are excellent academics, and you have to go through all kind of academics, starting from your case conference, starting from your case presentation, that is case conference or case presentation, then your seminar, then your debate, then your journal club and group discussion. All kinds of academics are there. So academics are excellent in Assam Medical College. The hostel is average. I will say it is average. Entertainment is okay. Now importantly, ECT is one of the important. Every student who are doing trying to do MD Psychiatry, they want to go through this ECT training and ECT giving the ECT. Now ECT is we are doing regularly every 2 days in week, on specific in 2 days in a week we go for the ECT. EEG available now. Now we can also learn and study EEG. Planning for RTMS are going on, so that can be added. So these all are excellent point, and this favors your choosing AMCH for your MD Psychiatry. Now psychology faculties are very good. Psychosocial worker and clinical psychologist, they are very excellent. Their quality. Definitely we can diagnose the psychodiagnostic evaluation, we can done very easily with the help of these faculties. So that is also very important. Research, if you say in the Assam, the best institute do the research is the Assam Medical College, because here mostly genetic studies are usually done. So you can go that level also. Now stipend is almost regularly used to get the stipend. Sometimes it may take a few days more, but usually we get regular stipend. Weather, if you talk about the weather in the northeast, Dibrugarh is one of the best place for the weather, and you can see the greenery, you can see the tea garden here and there. Even in the vicinity of this college is only tea garden, so you can enjoy this tea garden. City is not very smart, but it's okay. It's okay. Patient flow is excellent patient flow, and you will get most of the patient from de-addiction psychiatry. From de-addiction psychiatry, you will get lots of patient. De-addiction psychiatry will get lots of patient. Patient care, usually it is satisfactory patient care, and you will see so many patients coming from other district also, like other place, Tezpur, even some from Jorat. Some people are more inclined to come to the AMCH because of the satisfactory treatment. Assam people are very welcoming, so you will have a very warm welcome in the city of Assam. PGT, you will get different state. From PGT will get from the different states of the India. Airport is available, and it is around 35 minutes away from the college. And if you want to come by car, it will take around 500 to 550 rupees. And if you come by auto rickshaw, then it will take around 350 to 400. So this all are the beauty of this college. And every college has some pros and cons, so I also talk about these cons so that you can take your decision very wisely. Now, infrastructure is poor. Why it is poor? Because it is old building only. It is very old building. Now, most of the buildings are new, only that buildings are not yet the new building, but planning are ongoing, and very soon it will be transferred to a new building. So that can be one of the cons, but it is definitely it will be solved very early. Now, bond is another important, I can say, cons, because 10-year bond is there and you have to sign for 10 years, but there is 1 year mandatory bond service. You have to do 1 year bond. Now, 1 year bond, that 1 year bond actually recently it can be a 2 year mandatory bond, but it is not official yet, but it can be. So you, before choosing this institute or before choosing this state, you have to be very careful that you may have to do 2 year mandatory bond in either in the college, either in the under NHM or any other NGOs and all, which are necessary for the help for the healthcare for this state. Stipend is less, definitely stipend was very less, but recently there is increment, and that increment, after that increment, it will be around 57k, around 55 to 60k you will get. So that much of the stipend you will get. But remember, Dibrugarh is a costly city. Dibrugarh is costly city. Yes, it is costly. It will cost in everything. So that stipend is not a you can say it is not a very big stipend or a good handsome amount of stipend, because the city, if you want to stay outside, then it will be very difficult. But hostel is available. But remember, the hostel usually you will get 2 PGT in a single room. The 1 room 2 PGT. Now it is very difficult, because at that age adjusting with other PGT, it's very difficult, because the time schedule, work schedule, all are different. So definitely that causes some kind of problem. So many of the people want to stay outside, and those are married, they have no other option than staying outside. Now the patient flow is very good, but remember, the most of the patients are in the de-addiction psychiatry and general psychiatry, but the child and adolescent psychiatry cases are usually less. You used to get the patient, but the number is not very sufficient. And the hostel already told. Now, if you want to join hostel, if you want to stay hostel, because you know the mass of every hostel is average, poor to average, not good. So definitely that is also not good, but average. But if you want to stay in the hostel, you have to pay the mess fee. Now, food quality is average, and occasional you might have some problem with the water, drinking water, or water for your daily uses. So definitely you need to take care of this part also. Now city, already I told, city is not very entertaining. It is not a very big city, not a very smart city, and usually city get after 8:30 or 9, usually market get over, and there are some restaurant where you can go up to 12, but the number of restaurants are very very limited, and the late night parties are not entertained here. And remember another thing, the transportation, because Dibrugarh, it is just you can go to the Arunachal Pradesh, you can go Shillong, you can go other states also of the northeast, but the communication is not that good. For that, transportation is very very costly, is really costly transportation, so you need to take care of that also. And it is, you can already, it is not a very smart city, so won't get any Ola, Uber or Rapido services. Yeah. Now weather is very pleasant, very good, definitely that is one of the positive point you can take, but it's better if you have a car, because the rainy season almost invariably you will get rainy day, so it may be difficult for those who stay outside of the hostel. So if you have a car, then it is really good. Now late night parties are very difficult and usually not entertained. And the bond services, remember all PG will not get the senior residency. Here the system is, there is an it will be depend on your score in your final exam. But remember, all PGT won't get the senior residency, that is academic senior residency. Now if you want to go to the academic section, and if you are after doing the PG, if you are going to or you are bound to have duty or bound to do your bond service as a non-academic PG, then that 1 year or 2 year it will be just useless for your future. So I think the government should think of that every student get the academic senior residency, so that 1 year gets accounted in their career of academics. So this all about this Dibrugarh, the Assam Medical College and Hospital for MD Psychiatry. I hope this has given you the true insight about the MD Psychiatry courses in Assam Medical College, Dibrugarh. It will help you to choose your branch, choose your college wisely, and you should not get regret after the choosing that college. Thank you so much.